Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about how you can remove your Bitmoji from your Snapchat. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow up all the steps properly, and here we go. First of all, open up your Snapchat application and simply tap on your profile Bitmoji at the top left corner of your screen. You can see that here complete information about your account are shown along with your Bitmoji. If you notice, there is a hanger like button at the bottom of the Bitmoji window. You can simply edit your Bitmoji by tapping on it. But since our goal is not editing Bitmoji but removing it, I'll leave it as it is. Then on the top right corner of your screen, you will see a settings logo. Just tap on it and a settings list will open up in front of you. What you need to do is just scroll down a bit and locate Snapchat support tab. Under Snapchat support tab, click on I need help. And inside it, tap on search bar and search for Bitmoji. Various results will start to show up in front of you. Locate the one saying how to delete Bitmoji. But if you cannot find it there, then just go back to the home of your settings list and locate Bitmoji. It is usually at the top of the list depending upon the update you're using. Anyways, after that, click on it and you will see your Bitmoji in a large size with a couple of options to choose from. Notice that there is a little text at the bottom center saying unlink Bitmoji. Just tap on it and select remove to completely remove your Bitmoji, and that's how it works. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.